So we got this above ground pool this summer, and there are so many things that we absolutely love about it. First of all, it was super easy to assemble. I would say 2 hours at the most, and probably could have been a little bit quicker than that, but everything just hooks together, latches together, and very solid. As you can see, the braces are very few feet apart, so that makes it extra durable. Everything that you see, the ladder comes with, the pump, the liner, has a cover. Our pool is a little green right now because we literally just had a storm, and it's just had a lot of debris in it and haven't cleaned it. But overall, we feel like it's a great size. It's been good for the kids and grandkids to come over and play. It's been super hot. So if you're just looking for a pool to put in your backyard, we just feel like this one's been worked out really good for us this summer. The liner is extra strong, so it's like a polyester mesh, so you don't have issues with the lining ripping or tearing or anything. So I just can't recommend it enough. We really have enjoyed it this summer and highly recommend it.